So yeah, this is Brad, Bigfoot running. It's Thursday night. Just got home from camp yesterday. Still feeling pretty tired, but you know, I love to have a come back and rest and recover. But it's not easy leaving home to go on camp for 3 days. My wife had to go double time with the many commitments we have with the kids and such. So to come home and want to put the feet up, in my situation anyway, yeah, it wouldn't be cool. So yeah, I've cooked tea, helped tidy up, done as much as I can to help. And once again, it's fitting in my stuff on the periphery as much as I can. Gotta say, you know, it's got to be that way, but I'm actually a bit fed up with always having to, you know, fit it in on the side. It feels like I haven't been out for a long time, and it actually suits me. It's it's grinding on me a bit, but it means I'm training the brain, training the mind. There's a month to go that I'd like to actually put a bit of priority as well on getting my body in peak condition. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not in the best mood tonight, I'll be honest. Yeah. I think I've got some decisions to make as far as, I'm not sure how much I'm going to say here. Yeah. As far as work goes, I've kind of become a bit of a fill-in. It's not gonna, I mean, I can't keep doing it this way. Something's gonna have to change soon. Yeah, I'm a bit lost when it comes to that. I'm not sure how much of the Heysen I'll be able to film. I'm definitely gonna try and do some along the way. I decided, a bit like tonight, I mean, this is supposed to be a vlog. I'm going to try and make sure I show the low moments as well as any high moments. Right, made it to Anstey Hill. Almost hit 30 degrees today. It's a nice day. It's pretty windy now though. I mean, it's not cold, just super windy. Probably can't hear me very well. Pretty much everything on this channel is now filmed with my phone, apart from a few things with my old GoPro. I got an email the other day to pre-order the new GoPro, but yeah, kind of ran it past the boss, past the wife, and yeah, didn't get approval, sadly. Fair enough. It's about $700 by the time you buy a spare battery, and yeah, it's just a bit of fun really. We're not quite there yet as a channel to start heavily investing in gear. Maybe filming on the phone helps the kind of raw side I'm hoping to show at least a little bit of. Hopefully it's not too annoying for you. Although the new iPhone isn't that bad, gotta say. Biggest problem I have though is I sweat so much, it ends up getting covered in sweat, and then I can't use it because you need to use the touchscreen. That's why I carry around one of these microfiber towels, just wrap my phone in it, dry it off when I need to. But yeah, sometimes even that doesn't work. But yeah, maybe one day we'll upgrade. If we keep doing this after the Heysen, that is. Has been fun though. I find sometimes people mistake kindness for weakness. Don't make that mistake. Today was Are You OK Day in Australia. A day where people wear yellow and go around asking people if they're okay. Don't know about you, but I saw a lot of people who don't normally give a stuff wearing yellow. And yeah, doing the whole sarcastic "are you okay" thing. Does it help anyone? I don't know. It seems to be a day for everything these days. I'm sure it's good intentions. But yeah. Are you okay? I think the fact that we need a day for that. Look, is my AirPod okay? I think the fact that we need a day for "Are you okay" day it speaks volumes, really. I did say I was in a bad mood. Alright, time to brighten up a bit. We're running up along the graffiti track towards the ruins. That sounds like fun. I tell you what though, the grind, having to fit everything in on the edges, it does keep you humble, which is something that's really important to me. That's why I admire the likes of Courtney DeWalter. Yeah, it's funny, she started as a teacher as well. So yeah, you got to stay humble. No matter how good you get at what you do, yeah, the real legends, they stay humble. It's not about bragging. It's not about showing off. I hope no one gets that from this channel, because yeah, I'm not going to break any records. Yeah, and I've said it before, my goal is to finish the race, to finish the Heysen, to hopefully get a personal best time. I'm not racing anyone else though. I hope I meet some cool people along the way. But yeah, I'd rather support people than try and beat them or pass them by in a race like that. But yeah, the only choice is to stay humble sometimes. Here we are, the ruins. You know what? I'll be the goat track tonight. The same trail where the creepy story I recently shared came from. Oh, it's so creepy. There's a creepy crawly. Centipede. Alright. Mate, the ghosts are going to be afraid of me tonight. Come and get some. Anyone who needs to crawl around in the dark ain't worth being afraid of as far as I'm concerned. Whoa. Alright. Bit of a reenaction. We're running up towards the goat trail. No dead koala tonight. There's a nice change. Got the high beams on this time. I've upgraded my head torch since the first time. Not the first time, but since the incident with the creeper, whatever it was. Alright. So, when that happened, I was, like I said in the other video, probably check that out first, but I was heading up that way and I thought I'd get a photo of some graffiti in the dark. So that's the goat track, that's where we're heading, and this is where I was going to take the photo. And I was like, shit, I was kind of standing here, I didn't want to take another step. The hair on my body was standing up, going, don't go any further. So yeah, I didn't quite get that photo. Oop. But yeah. Still not sure if it was a person or not. But yeah. Gonna say I'm not getting the same feeling tonight. Even though the It's pretty bloody creepy. Gotta admit. Alright. Just continue on with the run. We won't push our luck too much. Told you, sometimes you just need a bit of an adventure to shock the system. And yeah, I didn't have the best, it wasn't the best day today, I suppose. Feeling a bit bummed out. A bit lost, a bit tired, a bit cranky. And all of a sudden, I'm starting to feel like me again. How do I get this all the time? Yeah. Tell you what, I would love to live right next to a place like this, but I'm so lucky having this only a few k's away from home. I used to want to move to the beach pretty badly. I used to surf a lot. Now it's all about the hills. The whole time I was only 5 k's away from this. Go that way. Might go this way tonight. I don't think the phone does this justice, but I'll tell you what, there isn't a movie, TV show or video game that's as good as this. This is real. So yeah, those things are good, but you've got to have your own adventures too. And I'm not saying come out and run around the dark, because that's a bit silly. I mean, I like it, but yeah, I'm not recommending that for everyone. But you got to find something. You got to find a passion that doesn't just involve watching other people do their thing. Play an instrument. Not only that, actually write some music. Start a band. Get into art. Teach yourself how to draw something. And I know I'm saying this as I hold a freaking phone up, filming myself run with technology, but at least I'm doing something. So yeah, think about it. Alright, now for the run home. Made it safe and sound, back home. See you tomorrow.